Hello and good evening. My name is Donald from D&D Defense. Have you ever been curious as to how to get out of zip ties if ever restrained? Well, today's safety tip for the week is I'm going to show you how. Now the key is understanding the strengths and weaknesses in the zip tie. And so the strength is this locking mechanism here, but also becomes its weakness if done properly. And so, as you can see, I'm locked in, restraint, and I will now demonstrate. And now I am free. As a disclaimer, this video is meant for instructional purposes only and safety awareness. For more information or more techniques like this, please visit my website at D&D Defense, where you can sign up for lessons and more instructionals just like this. Stay aware and stay safe.